Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and this is my cousin, also known as my sister, Nancy.
Hi.
So we had to do a few things. My aunt that I told you had passed away is actually her mama, and so we wanted to make a photo board, so we went to the Dollar Tree for stickers and a poster board.
Right.
So you know me, and you don't know if you remember her, but years ago she also showed you her Dollar Tree habits. And so we came back with 7 bags of stuff. So we've got stuff for you, Dollar Tree haul. So she also has a son going off to college, and when does he leave? Next week?
Thursday.
He's coming out to Arizona, so I get to see him more often.
And me too.
And her too. So one of these little guys is going to make a good little shower caddy, right? And they had them in white. Now we're in California, so this was in the Fountain Valley store. What else did you get?
Pencils, mechanical pencils, or pens, nail clippers, something to hold all of that.
And then she got this whole bucket of stuff. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy.
For his dorm.
This is dorm life stuff, right? So a couple of these, they're the things you don't think about.
Yeah.
Right? And she also got him some ice cube trays. I love these. I hadn't even seen them there before.
For his mini fridge.
You know, I bought a couple of these at like CVS, and they were like $3 a piece. So there's that. Is this his?
Yeah.
Little foot file. Some bacteria wipes. That's good.
Yep.
More pencils.
Yep.
What are these for?
For the wall, because you can't hammer anything into, and I don't think you're supposed to put tacks in.
Oh, okay.
In case he decides to hang something.
And then boys who are still, you know,
Stinky.
teenagers. Okay, we both bought one of these. Here's hers and here's mine. You guys, they're little Brillo pads, but I'm hoping that they're like the Sponge Daddies, because they're kind of hard.
Really hard.
So when you put them in water, the Sponge Daddies, when you put them in water, they get like soft. Yeah, soft in warm water.
Perfect.
So these are little like mini scrub daddies. They don't have the face. So I bought one of those too.
He needs it for college.
Right? She also bought him some of these sponges. We were like going back and forth, don't know what sponges, how these work. So if you know how these work, let us know. Because I use the Grove natural ones.
Mm-hmm.
And they're not like anything humongous expensive, or not expensive, like special. Some of these Glad double seals. And then she bought this. And what's this for?
That's to wash his dishes and yeah.
Oh, just like a basin for his dishes.
Yeah.
And then again, more stinky
boys.
Stinky boys. Is he living with somebody? Is he gonna roommate with somebody?
So he roommates with one person, and then 4 boys share the bathroom. Which is why we have the shower caddy, because then he can go in and out.
Sure. Very cool. So that's what she got, and then of course, you know me, I picked up the rest of the store. Oh no, we bought this and some poster board, and then we went and printed like 100 pictures, right? Oh, and my aunt, so she always did her nails red and sparkly, so this was at the Dollar Tree as well. So this pretty red and some nice purpley sparkly. So
yeah,
we're gonna do nails. I also picked up 5 of these little guys because I cannot find the clear and white. That's actually white. It looks kind of gray, but it is. See, there you go. It's white. And I organized my fridge with these. So since I'm home, I'm in my parents' house where I grew up. I'm gonna see if I could organize their fridge a little bit. They might not even want me to. So in that case, I have 5 new bins. I bought one of these as well. This will be to take home. But I love that. Now that I'm thinking about it, this is the only one I saw. I saw some blue ones, but this is the only one with the white that I saw. I might give that one to them so I can have cold water, cold filtered water. Look at how cute these are. If you have any teenagers that are into The Mandalorian, the little baby Yodas are super cool. You've already seen this. I think this must be yours too.
That is mine.
I think our bags got switched. I bought a couple things, she bought a couple things. But it's disinfectant spray
For boys.
more stinky boys.
And it's country scent.
Nice. Now, you guys know I do like a little candy bar for my littles, right? So look at how cute this is. They're just a little plastic. And so I bought a couple different kinds of candy to go in there too, but I love that lid. I picked up these guys. I picked up at least 4, maybe 5, but check this out. They stack inside of each other. Do you see?
Glass.
They are glass. So I picked up at least 4 of them. But I don't know how tall my cupboards are, so I don't know if they'll stack or if they have to be out and about.
You can do that. You can use it for a candy bar too.
Yeah. Okay. I got this. And I got this. This actually goes on top of it, but it broke, so I got it for 75 cents. If you ever have broken stuff, don't be afraid to get it and ask for a discount, because all that needed was super glue. Or more glue, hot glue. And then this one, that's got a little P for my last name. This I'm gonna make, it'll go on my little coffee bar in the fall. Right now the theme is like French, no, not French, Friends, like the show Friends. But when it gets fall, it'll turn into a nice little apple cider coffee spot. I picked these up. Look at how cute those are. They're metal tags. I got a micro USB cable. I need that to charge my earphone things. Look at these. I don't know if these are to be used or if they have DIY written on them. We'll have to find out later. But I hadn't seen the small ones. I got some Smarties to go in the kids' candy stuff.
But wait,
There's
there's more.
more. Oh, your stickers. We got some cute stickers. This is just some cotton candy. I make cotton candy on my own. Because I told you I had an announcement, and I will go into it more, but if you follow my social media, I do these, they're called Tinker Toasts. You can go to tinkertoast.com and look it up. Short little plug. These are the letters, yeah. So we're gonna decorate the poster boards with pictures, and this has like, you mean the world to me, best mom ever. So cute. You're supposed to put them on like a coffee cup or something, but they're clear stickers, so we could put them on the poster board. But then we bought a bunch of these. You can't really see them, but can you see there?
Yeah, you can see.
You can? Okay. So they say like A, and it says amazing, adorable, B, best, beautiful, C, caring, cherished, on and on, but each letter just says something sweet. Loved and loud. She was definitely not loud.
She was loved.
She was loved for sure. So that was really cool. I looked for some for myself, but they didn't have it. A couple more jars for the candy bar. And this one, you guys, I have not seen this little guy yet. I have big versions of it, but look at this little guy. Look at, just for reference, right? So cute and tiny. And then I found this. This reminds me in Washington, D.C., they have a big, huge one of these. I think they have one somewhere else. If you know where, let me know.
You guys got that at the
I
Dollar
know.
Tree.
No, not at the Dollar Tree. 6lets again for the candy jar. This was just too cute. I got this for my cousin and my aunt. This says ring for coffee. That's for my cousin. And then for my aunt, it says ring for wine. So they both live in the same house, so it's just gonna be tons of bell ringing. And I saved my favorite one for last. So let me know in the comments below which was your favorite item and if I showed you anything new. This one is new to me and my favorite item. And look at it. It's a little sloth carrying a cactus. Isn't that cute? So.
Very cute.
They also had a panda, but the sloth was just too cute. And he moves about my speed, so wanted to get that. I think that's everything, right? I can't remember. We also bought a couple balloons and poster board, but you know what those look like. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed our little haul, and now we get to work and go over photos and probably reminisce and cry and do all that wonderful stuff. But oh, I'm gonna miss her. I loved her, and I'm glad that we get to spend the time together.
Me too.
All right, beauties. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. We love you. Bye.